Third on our list is Yoast SEO, a must have plugin for anyone using WordPress. Yoast SEO simplifies on page optimization, ensuring that your content is optimized for both search engines and readers. It provides a checklist of SEO factors from keyword usage to meta descriptions and even checks for readability. Yoast traffic light system is green for good, orange for improvement needed, and red for issues. This makes it easy to understand where your content stands. It also helps with technical SEO like managing your XML sitemaps and setting up breadcrumbs. But Yoast is not just for the technical side of things. It also assists with content creation. The plugin offers suggestion for internal linking, checks for keyword density, and even helps optimize your titles and meta descriptions for better click through rates.